Okay, so this is question 2. We've got a coordinate geometry question. We're given the line AB, which has this equation here. We're told for 2 marks, find the gradient of this line. To do this, ideally, we're after the form y equals mx plus c, because then we can just read the value of the gradient off. At the moment, we haven't got that, but we can soon rearrange it. So 4x minus 3y equals 7. Looks like the easiest way is to take that negative 3y over there. So we're going to get 4x is equal to 3y minus 7 plus 7. Sorry, it's a positive, isn't it? Let's just take the 7 over now. So we're going to get 3y, I'm swapping sides at the same time, is equal to 4x minus the 7. We're nearly there, except we just need to divide by 3. So 4 over 3x, take away 7 over 3. Never mind all this bit, we can now read off the value of the gradient. The value of the gradient is that part there. So the gradient of A to B is 4 over 3. Okay, second part. Here we go. So find an equation of the straight line that's parallel to our AB. So it's parallel to the line we just found. So it's going to have a gradient, same gradient, 4 over 3, which passes through the point 3, negative 5. So this is our x value. This is our y value. We've got to be careful. We've got to remember to give our answer in this particular format. But we'll worry about that when we get there. Okay, so where are we? Thinking about y equals mx plus c again. Right, we're told that y is negative 5. We know that m is 4 over 3. We're going to multiply that by our x, which is 3. I'm going to leave the c value there because I don't know what it is yet. What have we got now then? We've got the 3's are going to cancel, so we're left with negative 5 equals 4 plus c. So this implies that c must be, to go from 4 down to minus 5, I've got to take away 9. So we're almost there now. So we can write down y equals the gradient 4 over 3x, take away 9. Okay, mostly done, except we're not in our format. What do we need to do? We need to multiply everything by 3. So 3y is equal to 4x take away 9. We then want the x's on the left-hand side as well, so let's take them away. So negative 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 9. Happy with that? Or if we're really keen, we could even write it, just flip all the signs really. So we've got an answer there. I think at this point I will just check the mark scheme to see how we're doing so far and to show you. So part A, there was our gradient, so our rearrangement with our, remember, our C value and our gradient popping out, gradient of A and B as 4/3. What did we get? We could have differentiated, finding dy by dx there. There's different notation. We would have got 1 mark for having a positive negative, so long as we had a 4/3 and some sort of a number there. Again, we're allowed to condone a slip in the rearrangement if gradient is correct. We're even allowed decimals there, so quite generous. Part 2, for our 3 marks, 1 mark for using our gradient and attempting to use our x value and y value, which we did that. Here's another way of finding the gradient, or else how we did it there. Set an equal, blah, 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 attempting to find our k value. So we went through, that's finding what we're finding as a c. There's our original version, so at that point we're on 2 marks, and then there's our final rearrangement. Integer coefficients in the required form, x's, y's, and a number, so long as they're any multiple of that, such as we had the negative of it, that's allowed, but the positive of it is even better. At this point, can I give you your question so you can prove that you've watched the video? I'd like you to write down for me or come in and tell me, can you simplify root 40, please? So simplify the surds root 40. Part B. The line A to B intersects the line AB, this one up here, intersects the line with this equation at the point D, find the coordinates. Okay, your big clue here is that word intersect. So what have we got? We're going to do simultaneous equations. There's one of them, 3x minus 2y equals 4. This is another simultaneous equations. Oh, it's like GCSE. I'm going to eliminate the y's, so I'm going to multiply that one by 2 and multiply that one by 3. Now that would give me 8x minus 6y is equal to 14, and the other one 6 times them by 3, excuse me, back on the pen, make it nice and thin again, there we go. Okay, so now times them by 3, 9x minus 6y is equal to 12. Okay, we can subtract because we've got the same signs. I'm going to take the bottom, take away the top. 9x take away 8x leaves me with 1x, that's handy. Minus 6 minus minus, minus 6 minus minus, or in other words plus 6 does give me 0. 12 take away 14 gives me minus 2, halfway there. Having got the x value, let's get the y value. I'm going to use the bottom one. 3 times minus 2 take away 2y is equal to 4. What have we got here? So minus 6 minus 2y is equal to 4. Let's take the 2y over there, bring the 4 over here. So minus 6 minus 4 is equal to 2y. So that's minus 10 is equal to 2y. Minus 5 is equal to y. So our coordinate is, where shall I write it? It's minus 2, comma, minus 5. Okay, I'm going to check that mark scheme again. Where are we? We're here. So there's our must use correct pair of equations. Yes, we did. Attempt to eliminate. Yes, we did. That got us 1 mark. Second mark for x equals negative 2. Third mark for y equals negative 5. Or even saying the coordinate D is at minus 2, minus 5. Okay, so this time we've got a point E with coordinates k take away 2 and 2k take away 3. Lies on the line A to B. That's our friend up here. Find the value of the constant k. Okay, what can we do? Let's bung those things in place of x and y. I can't see much else to do there. So writing it out, 4 lots of k take away 2. Take away 3 lots of 2k take away 3 equals 7. Okay, multiplying out 4k take away 8, being careful here I think, minus 6k plus 9 is equal to 7. What's next? 4k take away 6k is minus 2k. Yes, it is. 9 take away 8 is plus 1. That's equal to 7. Moving the 1 over, minus 2k is equal to 6. Divided by minus 2 gives us k is equal to minus 3. 2 marks. How do we do? We're down here this time. There we go. Oh, there's our bracket that we're bunging everything in, put it all together, substituting in. So we'll bung, expand it all out, and we get k is equal to minus 3. So 1 mark for getting attempting to multiply out. We're allowed 1 mistake, and 1 mark for the final answer. Thank you very much.